The October 25th meeting of the Environment and Public Works Committee will now come to order. Will the clerk please read the roll?
Mr. Barat. Here. Mr. Brew. Here. Mr. Dondorfer. Here. Mr. Keller. Here. Mr. Mafucci.
Here.
Chairwoman Wright.
Here.
Mr. Udelson. Here.
Is there anyone signed up for the public forum?
There is not.
Okay, and the next item on the agenda is approval of the minutes. You have the September 27th, 2021 minutes of the Environment and Public Works Committee before you. They will stand approved unless the clerk is notified of any changes by the end of the day. And the next item on the agenda is new business.
Referral 21-0366, authorize a contract with Labella Associates DPC for professional engineering services for the Iola Combined Heat and Power Plant Improvements Project.
Move, Madam Chairwoman.
Second.
Moved by legislator Keller, seconded by legislator Brew. All those in favor, please signify. Oh, is there any discussion? Any,
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair. Through your administration, I know the Iola power plant has aged quite a bit over the years, and at one point it was being considered for to be shut down last place. We changed our minds on that. Do we have a time frame for how long we expect the Iola heating power plant to be in operation?
Through the chair, as you might recall, we created a capital project over the summer for about $5.5 million to rehab the tunnel and the core infrastructure within the facility and upgrades to the boilers and generators for the hospital, as well as the switchgear. We expect with those upgrades, it will at least last another 20 years.
Okay, so it's a long time. That's what. Thank you.
And through the chair to the administration, how much has recently been spent, and what's the overall commitment for this for the Iola Power Plant project?
Through the chair, again, the total project cost is 5.5, and as you may recall, we will be switching to utility electric through our G&E. This is for the again for hot water and steam for the hospital in 111 Westfall. So again, it's a $5.5 million project, and we expect to have it completed substantially complete by the end of 2023.
All right. So through the chair to the administration, so is this an add-on to that existing project then, or is this just another phase of the same project?
Through the chair, this is a new project. We had contemplated a new facility on the hospital grounds, and over the summer, there was a referral that was presented with the findings that we could more cost-effectively rehabilitate the existing infrastructure and provide reliable service to the hospital in 111 Westfall. So this is a new project.
Okay, thank you.
Through Madam Chair to the administration, through the use of Iola, have we ever run any offsetting cost analysis if we were to publicly purchase those utilities that Iola is providing versus the Iola provided utilities themselves, just so we can have some sort of an idea on where we are with cost-benefit analysis?
Through the chair, for all intents and purposes, that's what we will be doing. The utilities that we're purchasing, which are wholesale electric, as well as natural gas, will be for the boilers, and we'll be buying utility power. Again, it'll be distributed by RG&E, but we're buying it through our energy aggregation group.
Thank you.
Is there any other discussion? Seeing that there's none, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Item carried.
Referral 21-0375, classification of action and determination of significance pursuant to the State Environmental Quality Review Act for the acquisition of interest in real property for a fiber optic permanent easement located at East Ridge Road in the town of Arundecoy.
So moved.
Second.
Moved by legislator Bruce, seconded by legislator Don Dorfner. Is there any discussion? Okay, seeing no discussion.
I have a question though.
Oh, okay.
You said 375? 210375 is referral.
378.
370. Okay. I misread, my apologies. I have 375. But wait a minute. 310370. Both of those referrals are not listed for EPW, they're listed for human services. 375 and 370. Which one are we looking for?
I think we're on 210378.
Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay.
21-0378, classification of action and determination of significance pursuant to the State Environmental Quality Review Act.
That's right. Okay, sorry.
Okay, all those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Item carries.
Referral 21-0380, increase and improvement of facilities in the Gates Chili Ogden Sewer District, acquisition of property at 13 and 15 Carroll Street from the Village of Churchville.
Move it, Madam President.
Second.
Moved by legislator Don Dorfer, seconded by legislator Keller. Is there any discussion? Yes, legislator Burns.
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair, and through you to the administration. Can you describe the property at number 13 and 15 Carroll Street? Are they building lots? Are they existing homes? Are they lease agreements or what would they be?
Through the chair, these two parcels, again, presently owned by the Village of Churchville. They were formerly the site of their water resource recovery facility, which was decommissioned in approximately 2007, when a pump station was constructed along with the force main to be able to treat wastewater generated within the Village of Churchville by Pure Waters, adjacent to Black Creek. So these are municipally owned parcels. Where the treatment plant was, they were decommissioned and a new pump station was built there.
Okay, and as a follow-up question, so is the existing pump station that the village operated, that's intended to be removed, demo, or is there a purpose that will serve to County Pure Waters?
Through the chair, the pump station was built back in 2007, commission. It's owned and operated by Monroe County Pure Waters. The village had operated a wastewater treatment plant at that location. And through an IMA, the county built a new pump station there. The village reimburses the county for a portion of the debt. So the pump station's been in operation since 2007, but recently the village had requested that the county take ownership of the property, and the county district determined it was really in the best interest of the county's interest to take possession of the property, and it was permissible through the intermunicipal agreement that was signed back in 2001.
Very good, thank you very much.
Anything else? All those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Item carries.
Referral 21-0382, amend the 2022 to 2027 capital improvement program to increase funding for the MCRC and RRF Facilities Improvements Project.
Second?
Moved by legislator Keller, seconded by legislator Brew. Is there any discussion? Yes, legislature Brew. Baruch.
Thank you.
Roth.
All right, good. Thank you. Through the administration, Are the two properties here essentially entwined, mixed together, essentially one property, even though those two separate things?
Through the chair, there are two separate parcels and two separate buildings on the recycling campus, if you will.
Okay, and are they adjacent to each other, Mr. Chair?
Through the chair, they're adjacent to one another, very close proximity, but they're not directly connected.
Thank you. And through the chair of the administration, when was the last time either of these sites received a major renovation, repair, update, if ever?
Through the chair, there's ongoing maintenance and improvements. As landlords, we have the responsibility for the site and the buildings themselves, the building envelope. So we have performed work. We are continuing to perform work at that location. There are older facilities in need of additional work, and hence this referral. We have made upgrades, more discrete capital projects, if you will, like sprinkler systems and other types of upgrades over the years. But I would say the vast majority of the upgrades have been by the operators for the processing of recycling processing equipment.
And the operators through the chair is Monmouth County or is it the county?
Through the chair, Waste Management operates the residential recycling facility. Cascades Recovery Plus operates the facility known as the Resource Recovery Facility, which is a garbage transfer station as well as an industrial recycling facility.
Thank you.
Any other discussion? All those in favor, please signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Opposed, item carries. There being no other matters, the October 25th, 2021 meeting of the Environment and Public Works Committee stands adjourned. The next meeting of Environment and Public Works Committee will be held on November 22nd, 2021 at 5:15 p.m.